Hey everyone, it's Bri. I'm back with another scrapbook process video for the SpiegelMom Scraps design team, and I'm going to be working with these two sequin mixes here. The first one is called Fern Gully, and then the second one is called Blue Raspberry Bubblegum. So two beautiful, gorgeous mixes that I'm going to mix together to make one giant shaker. I received a Pretty Little Studio kit from Erica Rose Creates Patreon. And I thought it would be super fun to make a huge shaker out of this wreath paper. The collection from Pretty Little Studio is called 'Tis the Season, I believe, and it's super cute. I did this layout in record time. Usually it takes me 2 to 3 hours to create a layout, but because the wreath was already done for me and I didn't do any mixed media or anything and I just did a shaker, it just came together so quickly. It's crazy. So I think the longest it took for me was to fussy cut this wreath out. So I cut out the middle and then I traced around the edges, and then I'm going to use the center as my large shaker. So I'm taking some tearaway tape that you can find in the SpiegelMom Scraps shop, and I'm going to adhere that down so that I can place my acetate right on top of it. Now I was going to use the amazing acetate in the SpiegelMom Scraps shop, but in my kit Erica included this Pretty Little Studio acetate piece already, and it's printed with a bunch of Christmas phrases or titles. So I was like, okay, you're working with the kit, just use this acetate, it's perfect. So I did have a concern that it would be too busy, but it wasn't in the end, and you could still see all the sequins, and it's gorgeous. So I took my Big Mama foam tape that is also in the SpiegelMom Scraps shop, and I just trimmed little pieces so that I could get it around the shape of my wreath, and so that way that all the sequins could have a place to sit. So after I have it all adhered down, I took all the release tape off, and then I put in both packages of sequins, all of it, from both of them, so I have none left, and I poured them all in, and then I'm going to back my large shaker with vellum. That way you could still see the base of my layout. So, and I did choose a pattern paper as the base of my layout, which is crazy. Well, only because I usually have white backgrounds, or if I do have pattern paper backgrounds, it's just little bits here and there. But I love how it turned out. It is still white, but it does have a little bit of, graphics on it. So I kind of got the best of both worlds with that paper. So I love how it turned out. The little penguin is cute, and then the little bunny hiding in the wreath is so cute too. So I do have this photo from our company Christmas party. I went with my best friend Amanda, and our friend is also Brandy. She's on the other side of Amanda, and we just had a great time. It was just like a little girls' night, and we had a good time. So I don't really embellish too much. I do add this little cute stocking, and then I add the 'Tis the Season ephemera piece up on the left. I added some pink twine. I did off camera add a few bits of tangled thread, and that's it. Like, that really completed my page. I didn't do anything else. I didn't add any mixed media. If I had extra sequins, I probably would have spread a little bit around like the perimeter of the page, but I didn't have anything left. So I actually love how this turned out. It was so easy. So if you have any wreath paper from any of your collections, or there's like a giant wreath or anything that you can maybe cut the center out of to create a shaker, I hope you guys will give it a try. It's super simple. It takes a lot of work out of the page because the shaker on top of your photo are like the main focal points of your page, and a lot of the work is already done. So it shakes. It's beautiful. That printed acetate is gorgeous. I love that the two mixes mix so well together. They complement each other so pretty, and they happen to match the collection perfectly. So use my code Brianna15 to save you 15% off on anything in the shop. Here's the final layout and some up-close shots, but thanks so much for watching, commenting, and subscribing, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!